In the UK, we've always had the Guy Fawkes, the Bonfire Night celebration. You know, it goes back a long way.
So in the UK now, we celebrate around November the 5th, and it's just really that getting the family together. I think for the children, it's the excitement, and I think for the adults, for the dads, it's normally that little bit of danger element involved, and I think we're all big kids.
We got the Green Man in. It's opposite Guy Fawkes' house. The saying goes that you protect yourself by covering your face with green leaves when you're working with fireworks, so to stay green means to stay safe. The fireworks are probably linked with the gunpowder that was put underneath the Houses of Parliament.
Tradition is you would create the Guy Fawkes, so like a homemade version of the gentleman who tried to blow up Parliament. You'd put that onto the bonfire, you'd light it and watch the effigy burn.
It's a celebration of either his attempt or his failure to set fire to the Houses of Parliament.
When we see the colours, we hear the noise, the excitement that generates, I think it's just taking us back.
You've got something that creates real enchantments, real magic almost.
Stephen Hawking is one of our customers, and probably our most favourite customer. He does genuinely love them. You know, he always has loved them. He used to make his own when he was young. I think it's just one of those fascination that kicks in when you're young, you know, and it always stays with you.
If you walked out of your front door in East Hoathly or any village in fancy dress, the local people wouldn't bat an eyelid. They would think it was absolutely natural. It's a cultural thing for Sussex.
There is something there, you know, all around the world, you know, men, women, children, they love fireworks.